Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start now, power down and unplug the console. Wait 10 to 15 minutes so you don't shock anything. Put on an anti-static strap and set up a clean, flat work area with a tray for screws. Once done, remove outer panels using the correct Phillips bit. Make sure to keep track of screw lengths and ribbon cable tabs. You're doing this to expose heat sinks and fans so you can remove dust and access the thermal interface. This is the only way to reliably restore cooling. Now you clean and inspect. Hold each fan so it won't spin, then blast out dust with short canned air bursts and a soft brush to loosen trapped debris. Once dust-free, inspect fan bearings and heatsink fins for wear or bent fins. Make sure the fan still spins smoothly by hand. Next, carefully remove old thermal paste from the CPU/GPU with 90% plus isopropyl and lint-free cloth. You're preparing the surfaces so new thermal interface will bond properly. Finish by applying new thermal paste. Place a rice-sized drop in the chip center or follow the manufacturer's pattern. You want thin, even coverage after seating. Carefully reseat the heatsink straight down and tighten screws in a cross pattern to ensure uniform pressure. Reconnect fans and cables, reassemble panels, then plug in and run a test session to monitor temps and fan noise. If temperatures remain high, make sure the heatsink is seated correctly and the fan runs at full speed before repeating the process.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.